Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to install the MT4 Supreme Edition. In order to install it, you're going to need a software. So let's go to our home page. Now that you're here, click on Trading Platforms and then MT4 Supreme Edition. Now click on Free Download and the download should start immediately. Once the download is finished, we're going to go through the installation together. As it's now finished, just click on the downloaded file. Double click on this file. It will then ask for permission to make changes. Just click yes. And it will now extract the file. Now click on install. Press OK. And the MT4 platform should now be installed. In order to check if the installation has been successful, just open up your MTrading MT4 platform. Now that it's open, just check if you are able to see these expert advisors that are showing over here. If they are there, as well as the custom indicators created by MTrading, that means the installation has been successful. Should you require any additional assistance, please don't hesitate to get in touch by either writing us an email or using our online chat service, which you will find on our homepage. Thank you for watching.